This tutorial will walk you through how to set up wishlist cart in VPCart 9. Firstly, go to VPCart Administration, Advanced Settings, Software Configuration, from top menu. In the search box, type in X-Wishlist, and click search icon. Set X-Wishlist to Yes, and set the number of days the wishlist need to be stored in database, using config X-Wishlist days. Click Continue button. Now go to your website, and add some items to the cart. The customer must be registered and logged into the cart, in order to use this facility, since the wish list is linked to their customer ID. Click Wish List link. Type a name for the cart, and click Save this cart button. The wish list can be restored, or deleted, from the customer service menu, from any machine. For this, log in using the same customer details, which you have used to create the wish list cart. Click Wish List View link. Click Yes, under Restore Saved Cart, to restore cart items and proceed with checkout, and click Yes under Delete, to delete the wish list cart. Thank you for watching this VPCart 9 tutorial.